Hi there. So in the previous video, we have talked about the issue related to the chart that we had created. So we have created a chart like this where we wanted to see the sales by different shipping modes. So we created the different objects like orders underscore RA for a regular air sales, and then DT for delivery truck sales, and EA for all those shipping mode for sales which have been done by express air. And then we plotted this, and this is what we got. And the issue was that this ordered underscore EA dot shape, so by express air, it has only 983 rows. If you see it by red R plus, that's what we have indicated over here. And if you see the observations, it is going up till this 6,000 mark or even 8,000 mark. Well, I left that video at this point, and so that you can think through and figure it out why there is such an issue. So the issue is because of the indexing. So what it has is, if I just show you orders underscore EA, and this value is starting from 8, then 21, then 47. All of these values are basically getting plotted on the x-axis. And if I go down, you will see that x-axis values are spread across 8398, even after you just have the total number of rows is 983. So to resolve this kind of an issue, so that there is not a wrong representation of values on the chart, what you can do is re-index the chart. So for that, first of all, what we need to do is create an index. So maybe what we can do is order underscore EA underscore index, and then use the np.arrange, and in that we will start from 0 to 983, 1. So if I just plot it under orders underscore EA underscore index, you will see the index value is starting from 0 and going up till 982. And let me see how many. I think it was 983 that we had. Okay, so we are good with this, because the total values that you have is 983. And now what we can do is for orders underscore EA index, we can specify this value. So now orders underscore EA dot index is equals to orders underscore EA underscore index. And now let's see the orders underscore EA. Okay, underscore. So now you can see my values are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, right, and going up till 982. So now my issue is resolved from the x-axis perspective. And now if I go ahead and plot it again, let's say this is a 1 which I wanted to plot, go down and paste it here, and now you will see my values axis is correct from 0 to somewhere 863 or 862. So this is how you can resolve the issue. And for rest of the other two objects, right, if I just go up and show you that, it's become a little big output, so taking a little bit of time. So orders underscore EA, similarly you have orders underscore DT, where you have 1146 values, and then I think there is one more. So express air, regular air, RA in that case. So you can change it to RA. So for this, you can create this range from 0 to 1146 and then assign it. And for RA, you can again create it up till 6270 because it has the maximum values. And this way you will get to know the right x-axis, the right distribution, as well as right plotting of values on the y-axis. So this is what I mainly wanted to cover in this solution video, and I've already shown you how you can resolve one, and I am leaving the rest too, so that you can do an exercise and get familiarity. So that's pretty much all I have, and I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.